Have you ever found yourself feeling stuck, unable to muster the energy or enthusiasm you once had? It's a common experience. Motivation can fade for many reasons, whether it's burnout, stress, or simply losing sight of your goals. In this video, we'll explore practical steps to help you reignite that spark and feel motivated again. Let's start by understanding why motivation slips away and what you can do to bring it back into your daily life. The first step to regaining motivation is recognizing when it's missing. You might notice you're procrastinating more, feeling tired, or lacking excitement for things you once enjoyed. These are all signs that your motivation needs a boost. By acknowledging these feelings, you're already taking the first step toward positive change. Remember, it's normal to have ups and downs, and you're not alone in this journey. Motivation often fades when we lose sight of our purpose. Take a moment to reflect on why you started your journey in the first place. What were your goals? What did you hope to achieve? Reconnecting with your why can reignite your inner drive and remind you of the bigger picture. Write down your reasons and keep them somewhere visible for daily inspiration. When motivation is low, big tasks can feel overwhelming. Break your goals into smaller, manageable steps. Celebrate each small win, no matter how minor it seems. This approach builds momentum and helps you see progress, which naturally boosts motivation. Remember, every step forward counts, and small achievements add up over time. A consistent routine can provide structure and make it easier to stay motivated. Try setting aside specific times each day for important tasks. Routines help reduce decision fatigue and make it easier to get started, even when you're not feeling your best. Over time, these habits become automatic, making motivation less of a struggle. Visualization is a powerful tool for motivation. Take a few minutes each day to imagine yourself achieving your goals. Picture the steps you'll take and the satisfaction you'll feel. This mental rehearsal can make your goals feel more attainable and inspire you to take action. The more vividly you visualize, the more motivated you'll become. Sometimes, a change of scenery can do wonders for your motivation. Try working in a different room, rearranging your workspace, or even going outside for a while. A fresh environment can stimulate your mind and help you see things from a new perspective. Don't underestimate the power of your surroundings in shaping your mood and motivation. Isolation can drain your motivation. Reach out to friends, family, or colleagues for support. Sharing your goals and progress with others can provide encouragement and accountability. Sometimes, just talking things through with someone else can help you see solutions you hadn't considered. Remember, you don't have to go it alone. Distractions can quickly sap your motivation and derail your progress. Identify what tends to pull your attention away, whether it's your phone, social media, or background noise. Take steps to minimize these distractions when you need to focus. Creating a dedicated, clutter-free workspace can help you stay on track and maintain your motivation. It's easy to be hard on yourself when motivation is low, but self-criticism only makes things worse. Practice self-compassion by treating yourself with kindness and understanding. Remind yourself that everyone struggles sometimes, and it's okay to take breaks. Being gentle with yourself can actually help you bounce back faster and regain your motivation. Physical activity is a proven way to boost motivation and energy. Even a short walk, some stretching, or a quick workout can make a big difference. Exercise releases endorphins, which improve your mood and help you feel more energized. Find an activity you enjoy and make it a regular part of your routine. What you eat can have a big impact on your motivation. Make sure you're fueling your body with nutritious foods that provide lasting energy. Stay hydrated and avoid skipping meals. When your body feels good, your mind is more likely to feel motivated and ready to tackle challenges. Lack of sleep can drain your motivation and make it hard to focus. Aim for a consistent sleep schedule and create a relaxing bedtime routine. Quality rest helps your body and mind recover, making it easier to feel motivated and energized each day. Don't underestimate the power of a good night's sleep. Take time to acknowledge your achievements, no matter how small. Celebrating progress reinforces positive behavior and keeps you motivated to continue. Whether it's finishing a task or reaching a milestone, reward yourself in meaningful ways. Recognizing your efforts helps build confidence and encourages you to keep moving forward. Setbacks are a natural part of any journey. Instead of seeing them as failures, view them as learning opportunities. Reflect on what happened, what you can do differently, and how you can grow from the experience. This mindset shift can help you stay motivated even when things don't go as planned. Gratitude can shift your focus from what's lacking to what's going well. Take a few moments each day to write down things you're grateful for. This simple practice can boost your mood and motivation by reminding you of the positives in your life. Over time, gratitude becomes a powerful motivator. Look for sources of inspiration in your daily life. This could be a book, a podcast, a mentor, or even a quote that resonates with you. Surround yourself with positive influences that remind you of what's possible. Inspiration can reignite your motivation and help you see new possibilities. Negative influences can drain your motivation and confidence. Be mindful of the people, media, and environments you expose yourself to. If something consistently brings you down, consider limiting your exposure. Protecting your mental space is essential for staying motivated and focused on your goals. Sometimes, motivation fades because things have become too routine or predictable. Shake things up by trying something new. This could be a new hobby, a different approach to your work, or learning a new skill. Novelty can reignite your curiosity and motivation, making daily life feel more exciting. Setting healthy boundaries is key to maintaining motivation. Learn to say no to commitments that drain your energy or distract you from your goals. Protect your time and focus for what truly matters. Boundaries help you stay balanced and motivated, even when life gets busy. Keeping track of your progress can be incredibly motivating. Use a journal, app, or calendar to record your achievements and milestones. Seeing how far you've come can boost your confidence and remind you that your efforts are paying off. Progress tracking also helps you stay accountable to your goals. The way you talk to yourself matters. Replace negative self-talk with positive, encouraging statements. Remind yourself of your strengths and past successes. Positive self-talk can shift your mindset and help you feel more motivated to take action even when things get tough. Injecting fun into your tasks can make them feel less like chores and more like enjoyable activities. Find ways to gamify your goals or reward yourself for completing tasks. When you enjoy the process, motivation comes more naturally, and you're more likely to stick with it. Multitasking can actually decrease motivation and productivity. Focus on one task at a time to give it your full attention. This approach helps you complete tasks more efficiently and feel a greater sense of accomplishment, which in turn boosts motivation. There's no shame in asking for help when you need it. Whether it's advice, support, or just a listening ear, reaching out can make a big difference. Others may offer new perspectives or solutions you hadn't considered. Remember, seeking help is a sign of strength, not weakness. Take time to regularly reflect on your progress, challenges, and what motivates you. Reflection helps you stay connected to your goals and adjust your approach as needed. It's a powerful tool for personal growth and sustained motivation. Perfectionism can be a major motivation killer. Accept that it's okay to make mistakes and that progress is more important than perfection. Embracing imperfection allows you to move forward without fear of failure, keeping your motivation strong. Rewards can be a powerful motivator. Set up small rewards for completing tasks or reaching milestones. These incentives give you something to look forward to and make the process more enjoyable. Choose rewards that are meaningful and healthy for you. A cluttered environment can lead to a cluttered mind. Take some time to organize your workspace and remove unnecessary distractions. A clean, organized space can help you feel more focused and motivated to tackle your tasks. Music can have a powerful effect on your mood and motivation. Create a playlist of songs that energize and inspire you. Use music as a tool to get into the right mindset before starting a task or to keep your energy up while working. Mindfulness helps you stay present and focused, which can boost motivation. Try simple mindfulness exercises like deep breathing, meditation, or mindful walking. These practices can reduce stress and help you reconnect with your goals. Place visual reminders of your goals and motivations where you'll see them often. This could be a vision board, sticky notes, or inspiring images. Visual cues keep your goals top of mind and can give you a quick boost of motivation throughout the day. Feeling overwhelmed can quickly drain your motivation. Break large tasks into smaller, more manageable pieces and focus on one thing at a time. Prioritize your most important tasks and give yourself permission to let go of less urgent ones. Flexibility is important for maintaining motivation. Be willing to adjust your plans and try new approaches if something isn't working. Staying flexible helps you adapt to challenges and keeps your motivation from fading when things don't go as expected. Worrying about the past or future can sap your motivation. Focus on what you can do right now. Taking action in the present moment is the most effective way to build momentum and feel more motivated. Goals can change over time, and that's okay. Take time to revisit your goals and make sure they still align with your values and interests. Adjust them as needed to keep them relevant and motivating. Comparing yourself to others can undermine your motivation. Focus on your own progress and celebrate your unique journey. Remember, everyone's path is different, and your achievements are valuable in their own right. Motivation doesn't always return overnight. Be patient with yourself as you work to rebuild it. Progress takes time, and it's normal to have ups and downs along the way. Trust the process and keep moving forward, even if it's just one small step at a time. If you're struggling to regain motivation despite your best efforts, consider seeking help from a professional. Therapists, coaches, or counselors can provide guidance and support tailored to your needs. There's no shame in asking for help, and it can make a significant difference in your journey. Remind yourself of your strengths and past successes. Reflecting on what you've already achieved can boost your confidence and motivation. Keep a list of your accomplishments and refer to it whenever you need a reminder of what you're capable of. Consistency is key to building and maintaining motivation. Even on days when you don't feel like it, try to take small actions toward your goals. Over time, these consistent efforts add up and make it easier to stay motivated in the long run. Setbacks are a normal part of any journey. Accept them as part of the process and don't let them derail your motivation. Learn from each experience and use it as fuel to keep moving forward. Remember, resilience is built through overcoming challenges. Keep seeking out new sources of inspiration. Whether it's through books, podcasts, art, or nature, inspiration can help you stay motivated and open to new ideas. Make it a habit to regularly seek out things that uplift and energize you. No matter where you are in your journey, the most important thing is to keep moving forward. Progress may be slow at times, but every step counts. Stay focused on your goals, trust yourself, and remember that motivation can always be reignited. Remember, motivation is something you can rebuild, no matter how lost it feels right now. By taking small, consistent steps and being kind to yourself, you can reignite your drive and achieve your goals. Stay patient, stay positive, and believe in your ability to get motivated again. You've got this.